Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how Organic Maps works. Organic Maps is a mobile navigation app designed for users who want maps without needing constant internet access. One of the main advantages of this app is privacy. It does not track your location, collect personal data, or show advertisements. Everything stays on your device, which helps keep your information secure. It is also battery-friendly because it does not rely on background data usage or constant syncing with online servers. The app is especially helpful for outdoor activities since it includes hiking trails, cycling paths, and terrain details based on OpenStreetMap data. This means you can often find footpaths, small roads, and natural landmarks that are not always available in commercial map apps. At the same time, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Organic Maps does not provide real-time traffic updates, so it may not be ideal for busy city driving. Public transport information is also basic compared to specialized transit apps, and map updates need to be downloaded manually instead of updating automatically. Overall, Organic Maps is a strong choice for offline navigation, privacy-focused users, and outdoor exploration. It is simple, lightweight, and reliable when used in the right situations. Thanks for watching.